Hello everyone and welcome to the top app stack. Today I want to show you the best app that you really need. This app, its name is 1Password. 1Password, remember all your passwords for you and keep them safe and secure behind the 1Password that only you know. 1Password is the password manager that is beautiful and simple as it is secure. Just add your password and let 1Password to do the rest. Sign in to websites and apps with just a few taps and use the password to change your password and make them stronger. It's the best app, guys. You need this app a lot. And it's 97.2 MB in App Store and Play Store. It's available in Play Store and App Store. I recommend all of you guys to download this app and hide your all password. And here, guys, welcome to 1Password 7. It's not for free, but I recommend all of you that when you pay it, all of your password will be secure. And get started with 1Password membership 6 months for $8.99, then $3.99 monthly. It's very cheap, it's very good. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and secure your passwords. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell, and comment below which app or which game do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thank you.